Dear learners, welcome back to the channel where we explore fascinating idioms from different languages. Today we are diving into not one but two classic Hindi idioms because both are very similar in meaning but not completely interchangeable. दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं and घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर. In other words, the grass is always greener on the other side and familiarity breeds contempt. आज हम एक नहीं बल्कि दो हिंदी मुहावरों की बात करेंगे. पहला है दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं, जिसे इंग्लिश में कह सकते हैं द ग्रास इज ऑलवेज ग्रीनर ऑन द अदर साइड, और दूसरा घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर, जिसे आप कह सकते हैं फेमिलियरिटी ब्रीड्स कंटेम्प्ट. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट इडियम. दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं. Imagine you are at a village fair. You hear the sound of distant drums and think, wow, that must be an amazing celebration. But when you get closer, you realize it's just an ordinary event. This is an example of दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं. This idiom literally means distant drums sound pleasing. It highlights the human tendency to believe that things far away or unattainable are better than what we currently have. In English, we have a similar idiom. The grass is always greener on the other side. Let's look at some more examples. Imagine you are thinking about changing your job because you believe the new one will be perfect. But when you start the job, you find it has its own set of challenges. That's the grass is always greener on the other side. Another example, you see your friends' vacation photos and think their life is much more exciting than yours. But in reality, they might be feeling the same about your life. We encounter this tendency everywhere. A student thinks another school has better teachers. An employee believes a different job would be more fulfilling. Someone admires their neighbor's car, assuming that it's trouble-free. But reality isn't always as it seems. Our perception can deceive us. So next time you feel envious, remember this idiom. Appreciate what you have, knowing that everyone faces their own struggles. Now, let's move to the second one. Ghar ki murgi dal barabar. This one is equally insightful and shares a different perspective. Ghar ki murgi dal barabar translates to a chicken at home is equivalent to lentils. It means that something familiar or easily available is often undervalued. In English, we say familiarity breeds contempt. This idiom emphasizes how we often take for granted the things we have. Here is a relatable example. You might have a delicious home-cooked meal every day and not appreciate it. But when you eat out, you realize how special home-cooked food is. That's familiarity breeds contempt. Another example, you might have a talented family member whose skills you don't really appreciate until you see others praising them. This idiom warns us not to undervalue or overlook what's familiar. Remember, don't underestimate what you have. Both of these idioms have deep cultural roots. दूर के ढोल सुहावने लगते हैं reflects the allure of the unknown and the tendency to romanticize distant things. घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर highlights the human nature of undervaluing what's familiar. These idioms remind us to appreciate what we have and be cautious about idealizing the unknown. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced these idioms in your life? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you have similar idioms from your language, let us know. We love learning from you. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and other learners. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. And you can hit the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.